What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Sean here, and I'm coming at you with another video. And today we're going to talk about the question that was asked of me. Is Steemit going to become something worldwide? Is it going to become the next big thing? Before I get into that, I want to go over my channel and how it's been growing. I know 104 subscribers to some people is probably nothing, but when you have nothing and you turn it into something like this, especially when you put so much time and effort into it, it's amazing to watch it grow. So I want to thank you guys, every single one of you that watches the videos, that has subscribed, has been giving the videos a thumbs up, commenting and talking and interacting with one another, leaving comments, asking questions and stuff, supporting the channel overall. It's really something else. It's crazy to watch this grow. I know it's not fast by any means, but it's everyone goes at their own pace, and I love it. I love every second of it, and I can't thank you guys enough. Every single one of you that comments on my videos and watches them and gives me your feedback. I learn just as much as you guys do about cryptocurrencies and other ways of making money and stuff. So I appreciate it so much. I want to get that out of the way. I want you guys to know that it's not going unnoticed. Trust me, it's not. Every day I look and I see, oh, I got another subscriber, and I get all excited and stuff. So it really means a lot, guys. I appreciate it. It does. All my hard work is paying off. So I want to get into the question that was asked of me by Garcia, I believe his name was. I don't want to butcher the whole name. I'll say Garcia. He asked me if Steemit was going to become the next big thing, and I recently made a video about it, explaining what it was and how it works. And I didn't want to make this video until my account got approved, because I wanted to get an inside look at it. And it actually just recently, I think yesterday, got approved. And I was able to dabble around in it a little bit and figure out some stuff. So, because I don't want to come at you guys with useless information. Honestly, it's not what my goal was. But real quick before I get into that, I also want to tell you guys, when you want to enter for the giveaway for the free Bitcoin that I do like every video, make sure you're leaving in your comments. Make sure you're leaving a question. I see a lot of you guys, saying great video, which I appreciate it. Thank you. But I want a question that you guys want answered, whatever it might be. I prefer something other than, what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin, or something generic like that. But, if you really want to know, then, I'll be happy to answer it for you. But like I said, I'm here to answer questions for you guys. I don't know everything, and I'm learning new stuff every day, and that's what it's all about. And I want you guys to ask me questions of stuff that maybe you've heard of. And I've seen a ton of great questions. Like I said, I wish I could answer them all, but I just don't have enough time. I really don't. I'm working on so many other things, different things here and there. And when something becomes substantial, I'll share with you guys, but I don't want to share you like bits and pieces of things. But this one thing I'm doing right now, it's coming together, and once it gets going, I'll share with you guys and show you what I've done, how far I've gotten, and the benefits to doing it. But let's just talk about Steemit for now, okay? So this is not inside my account, but this is on the website itself, and I started reading about what it is that you have to do in order to make some money, really. And it's actually really simple. It's not hard at all. You don't even have to post content, and that's the best part about it. I literally, I'm not gonna lie, I came on here and I started reading. When you first create an account, they kind of tell you how things work, and one of the things was saying that you can make money just by upvoting on people's videos and stuff like that. So what did I do? I went to trending, and I just started upvoting people's videos right down the list. I mean, I just wanted to see what was going to happen. Are they going to boot me out or something, or suspend my account for I don't know, spamming upvotes? I don't know, but I wanted to give it a shot, see what was going to happen, right? So I did that for a little bit here. I'm probably going to comment on some people. I was just trying to figure out how it works, but apparently when you make a video, you can't. It doesn't go to YouTube. It goes to DTube, which is right here, which I'll get to in a second. But overall, guys, if you create an account, it's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. It does take a couple of days. I think for me, it took like a week to get approved. But once you get approved, you know, you're gonna be presented with a screen like this once you put in your information, and don't lose your password. They give you like a really long password. Sorry about that. They give you a really long password. Don't lose that. But anyways, so really all you have to do, I mean, this is great for anybody who wants to get into cryptocurrencies and you really want like low risk, which I don't think there's any risk whatsoever. This is like one of the best ways to go. It really is. Now, is it going to blow up to, you know, something huge? I mean, I see the potential. I really do, because it's all reward and no risk, right? I mean, you're not what are you risking? Nothing. You come over here, you upvote somebody's stuff, you comment on some stuff. If you like posting content, then you could post content about whatever you want. There's categories that go on for days here. I mean, you know, what's, you know, funny? And this guy's, look, he's $317, you know? Okay, I'll upvote him, and, you know, if I click on it, it'll show me what it is. And, you know, little picture of something, and he's talking about who knows what. You know, we like to film these for your amusement and delight. You know, read it, whatever, if it's funny. Oh, look, see, so there's some videos here. I mean, you know, whatever. It's, if you find somebody that, you know, piques your interest, why not, you know, help them out? It doesn't hurt you. It actually makes you money. If, like, say for instance, I'm probably going to try to start posting my videos to Steemit. If you end up coming on Steemit and you upvote my posts, the more upvotes it gets, the more payout you're going to get. Now, out of the 100% payout, you'll get 25% of that if you're the one upvoting it and, you know, commenting. And then the person who created the post gets 75% of the payout. And out of that 75%, correct me if I'm wrong, or I should say, don't quote me on this, but 50% of that payout that the person gets for creating the post is given to you in Steem Power, and the other 50% is given to you in Steem dollars. So you guys get paid 25%. So, I mean, if you really like somebody, like if you find someone on YouTube and they're on Steemit and you really like the content that they post and you find it, you know, entertaining or informational, go over there. I mean, support them. Why not, right? But why not get paid while doing it? I mean, it's a no-brainer. So, you guys get paid like for upvoting my videos on Steemit. Now, I'm not just saying just mine, but anybody's. You know, you can upvote anybody's video, and you know, I think the payouts are every 7 days. But what I had to do is I had to create a DTube profile. Now, it was a little confusing at first to get the profile picture and the screen image, the cover image, which you can tell it's a little off right now, but I kind of just threw this together. Somehow I have one subscriber. I have no idea who that is, but anyway, I put it together, and this is what it looks like, which it kind of looks like YouTube in a way, right? So this is where my videos would go, and I'm assuming I'd have a link somewhere where I can post it. So I'm going to try to figure this out and post videos on here as well as YouTube, and I'll put a link in the descriptions and stuff, you know, going forward, so in case you guys want to go on Steemit and, you know, even check out other people. But this is a great way to support, you know, your people that you subscribe to or your followers. Great way to do it. You guys get paid, and again, what's the risk? There's no risk, right? For all those people asking me, you know, oh, I've been thinking about investing this or investing that, or, you know, they don't want to take that first step of, you know, maybe putting some of their paycheck in there, whatever the case might be. You can create, you know, a start right here, and all you have to do is just comment and upvote on people's posts. So I don't really see the downfall in that whatsoever. But let's see if I can take a look here at my wallet real quick, just to show you guys those posts that I upvoted. Yeah, I have like 0.500 Steem or Steem Power, and it tells you right here what it does, right? It says influence tokens, which give you more control over post payouts and allow you to earn on curation rewards, which is what, you know, you would be. I would be a curation or curator if I was the one upvoting and commenting, and then, you know, if you were the one posting the comments, then you'd be the creator. And then, like I said, it's you know, that's your Steem Power, and that's what you get for, you know, upvoting, and you get a payout of 25% of that content. So it's like I said, it's a no-brainer, guys. Really, it's crazy. Somehow I have $1.88 in here. I didn't put any money into this. This is a fresh account, so you guys are seeing everything that I'm seeing, and I don't know how I got the $1.88. I don't know if they're going based off this. I have no idea, but yeah. So I think it's a great idea. I think it's something that everybody should do. I mean, if you're on the internet, you might as well try to make some money doing something and looking at posts instead of looking, at random stuff on, Twitter, or cats flying, or who knows, some crazy stuff. Why not, make some money while you're in the process? Make your thumbs up or your upvotes count towards something. So, anyways, okay, so let's check the random comment picker. I already populated it with the URL from the YouTube video. We got 58 comments, guys, which is pretty crazy, but I can already tell you that there's quite a few in there that aren't questions. So like I said, make sure it's a question. That's all. That's all I'm asking. I'm here to help you guys, and learn something new. That's what I want to do. I want to learn something, and I'm sure you guys have questions. You want to learn stuff. So make sure it's a question. So I'm going to keep doing this until we have an actual question, which hopefully it becomes the first one. So let's see. Will we hit 100 subscribers today? Yes, we will, apparently. And like I said, guys, I didn't think it was ever going to happen. When I first created this channel, I put a couple of videos up. I was lucky if I got 10 views, and I'm sure everybody starts at that point, but you just got to keep going. Don't stop, whatever the case might be. Even if it comes to posting stuff on Steemit, and you want to create some income doing that, you're probably only going to get a few views every once in a while, but you just keep going and keep going, put out good content, and then people will catch on. They don't want to hear a bunch of bullshit. They want real content, stuff that has meaning behind it, stuff that people can relate to. That's a huge thing. But I'm sorry, my man, XOXS prank unlimited, it is not a question. But yeah, we did hit 100 subscribers. So let me redo this. And this is the only way I know how to do it. So let's see who else we get. Big money, big money. And we have, what happened to Dover? That's a great question, Mike Altcoin. I actually saw a fellow YouTuber of mine who talked about this and said that some lending platform went down. Honestly, I wasn't following much of it because of what happened to BitConnect, and I'm not messing with the lending platforms anymore. But all right, so here's our question, guys. What happened to Dover? It's a good question. I'll get in depth about this in my next video. I'll make sure I give you guys a ton of information of what I think happened, and what I gather from searching the internet. All right, let me make sure I get this address right here. Nope. I'm seeing doubles here, guys. It is literally 2 o'clock in the morning, so forgive me. Am I getting all of his? All right, let's see. Starts with a 3, ends in an F. Let's see if I got it all. Bear with me, guys. Starts with a 3, ends in an F. All right, sweet. We did it. All right, let me get my authentication going here. Oh man, just goes to show you the determination that I have. Doesn't matter what time it is, right? That's the time I have to put out my information and do my videos. Then that's when I'm going to do it, and that's what I want everybody to really understand too. It's like, if you really want something bad enough, you'll do whatever you have to do to get it. And I know half the people probably aren't even going to watch this entire video. Actually, I know they're not, or even get to this point. But it's okay. Because those people who do get to this point in the video are the ones that know what it takes. All right, there you go, Mike Altcoin. Congratulations, buddy. You just got yourself some Bitcoin, and I will be answering your question in the next video. Before I leave, guys, again, thank you so much for all the support. I want to do something special. I really do. Give me some ideas, guys. What would you like to see happen? You know what I mean? Talk to me. Let me know. and I'll see what I can do. Right? Just remember, I'm not a millionaire. But if I was, you best believe I'd be taking care of you guys. I would do something crazy. Like, see, that's something I think about. Again, no one's probably gonna watch this part of the video, but it's all good. I'm gonna talk anyways. If I actually got to the point where I had like hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and I was able to get things moving, and make a decent amount, I would have no problem giving like almost. I'd say I'd even give a car away. Like if you guys are helping supporting me, I wouldn't mind doing something like that. I know it sounds crazy, and I'm sure people have done it already, but I wouldn't even think twice about it if I could. Not saying I am right now, guys. I'm not giving a car away, but I'm saying that if I were to get to that point, that would be something I definitely would do. Just to show my appreciation, because I want to give back just as much as you guys give to me, and I appreciate every last subscriber. So anyways, I'm going to keep ranting on. Let me just shut up. But that's it for me. Mike Altcoin, congratulations again, buddy. And we're going to talk about what happened to Dover, or Daver. I don't know. Daver, Dover, whatever. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys? Take care. Keep it real.